Testing your chatbot is perhaps one of the most integral parts of any chatbot build. Why? Because the earlier that you catch any errors in your build, whether it be from connections or the way you're structuring your chatbot, the easier it will be to fix and the more work it's going to save you down the road. So test early and test often. To test your chatbot, you can open one up like I have here. Now you'll see that you'll want to have the test chat button enabled up at the top. And for example, we'll click the circle down here in the bottom right with the logo or image of your chatbot. That'll bring up a prompt with your simulated conversation that you've created. So you'll notice a few different things here. First, you have this reset button that allows you to basically at any point start over from scratch. Here you can highlight any NLP data. You can also highlight extracted data that you've pulled, as well as allowing you to follow on and see easily a visual representation of the structure. So to show it simply, you would click Get Started. Here, that brings me to my next step, and so on and so forth. Now, one other thing that's very useful is that it does simulate as well the persistent menu, and it may seem small, but if you are to close the window and then bring it back up, it'll keep it in that same spot that you were. Why does this matter? Because say you want to make a change based on something that's a few steps in, rather than having to take a few extra steps to go in and go all the way back and start from scratch, this allows you to continue your testing without having to start over. So those are the basics of testing a chatbot. A few of the things that you're really looking for are mainly the connections, as well as and are they taking you where they should be taking you, and other things like grammar and how long your messages are, and all sorts of other things like that that really make it easier for a user. That brings us to the end of this tutorial.